Radius, the distance from the center of the circle to the side of a circle. Given a circle with a line segment from one side to the other through the point called the center, the line segment defines the diameter of the circle. Commonly, we may say the diameter is the distance across a circle. Half of the diameter is called the radius of the circle. 2 times the radius of a circle is the diameter. This simple relationship sets up 2 interesting equations. Diameter equals 2 times the radius, and radius equals diameter divided by 2. There are 2 other line segments which can be drawn from one side of a circle to the other, not passing through the center of the circle. One type is the chord, pronounced K-O-R-D, and the other is a secant. A secant is a line segment which is drawn from one side of a circle, not passing through the center, to the other side of the circle, and then extending beyond the circle on that other side. Secants are often drawn in pairs, with the sides extending beyond the circle, intersecting into a vertex or an angle. Chords do not extend beyond the sides of a circle. Chords are also often drawn in pairs to explore the intersection of the chords inside the circle and the angles formed by the chords at their intersection. The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the side of the circle. Antonyms: diameter. Related words: circle, center, diameter, chord, secant, area, circumference.